Moderate mag. 4.0 earthquake 27 kilometers southeast of Kabul, Afghanistan, on Tuesday, June 20, 2023 at 10:44 a.m. local time, according to the NCS, National Center for Seismology reported. Updated, June 20, 2023 7:28 Greenwich Mean Time 8 minutes ago. Refresh. I felt this quake. Overview, quake data, interactive map, user reports, earlier quakes here, quakes in Afghanistan, Kabul, LOGAR, PAKTYA province. Moderate magnitude 4.0 earthquake at 10 kilometers depth. This quake is 100 accurate, and do not forget to share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.